Hey all, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back again. Today I have come up with another recipe of making a cake again. This is walnut cake, and for this recipe I have used one of my basic cake recipe, that is traditional cake recipe, and adjusted it to get a lovely and fluffy texture and accommodate walnuts inside of the cake. So I have taken half cup of whole walnut and grind them into a powder. Not very fine, just grind it coarsely. And I have taken half cup of vegetable oil, you can use butter as well. And adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. Beat it and cream it. And I'm adding 1 egg at a time and beat it all together. I'm going to use 3 eggs. I've taken 3/4 cup of milk and around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat well. I've taken 1 plus 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and pinch of salt. Don't overbeat it, you can fold it. I'm just beating for a few seconds. Now add the ground walnut powder. And mix well. And finally add little lime juice of half of a lime, and our batter is ready. Then I've taken a pan I'm just cutting a parchment paper into round shape like this. Apply some oil in the pan or butter and place the parchment paper. And apply some oil on top of the parchment paper as well to make sure that it easily comes out from the cake. Mix the batter once again and pour the batter into the cake tray. And tap it a few times. And I'm adding a few whole walnut on top of the cake batter. It's completely optional. And bake this in a preheated oven in 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. And it is nicely baked. Run a knife through the edges of the cake like this. And this cake has a nice nutty aroma of walnut. Unlike other nuts, walnut has a unique flavor, a different flavor, which some people like it, some people may not like it. So this is a very good way to bake cake, to make a pancake with walnut, to add walnut into your daily diet. So this is for today's video. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.